So here we go. One day we went to take a pallet off the truck and driving a little too fast or something, I guess. The pallet was pretty crap, and then whoops, a doozy. There goes the pallet. Oh, whoops. So everything was alright. Did take us a minute here to figure out how we were going to get it back on another pallet, but it was actually much less complicated than we made it out to be. Try to lift it up and slide a pallet under it, but in the end we just pushed it over onto a new pallet, picked it up, brought it in. Nothing got broken. Fun day. Hope you enjoyed it. Have fun. Careful with your fork trucks.